How to clean any washing machine naturally. You should clean your washing machine if you've ever wondered why it smells strange or whether you should be cleaning it. Even if you've never questioned how to clean this dependable item, you still need to do so. You may have odor-free clothing in a washing machine, but include this easy step in your laundry routine. White vinegar or bleach can be used to clean a top-loading or front-loading machine. White vinegar or non-chlorinated bleach are both safe, all-natural solutions that I prefer to use. However, some washing machine makers only suggest using chlorinated bleach. Most importantly, adhere to the machine's directions or try one of these natural solutions. Top load. White vinegar and some cleaning cloths are all you actually need to clean your top-loading washing machine. Concerned that the smell of pickles may permeate your laundry room? You won't smell the vinegar after the rinse cycle is over. Set your washer's temperature, capacity, and longest cycle to its highest settings first. Close the lid after adding 4 cups of white vinegar to the boiling water and let it agitate for a while. Allow the vinegar to do its job of eliminating the germs, mold, and mildew as well as the hoses of your machine. Open the lid or stop the machine and let it sit for an hour. If your washing machine is really dirty, you can repeat the process after running a full cycle with the vinegar solution. In addition, washing eliminating any buildup and dissolving any soap scum and other residue that may be in the washer and hoses, vinegar does a terrific job in general. Open the cover after letting your machine stir the fluid for a while. It's time to work on the washer's exterior as well as the fabric softener and bleach reservoirs while you let the solution sit for an hour. Wring out the vinegar solution after dipping a cleaning rag or microfiber cloth in it. In order to avoid getting the outside, lid, and control panel too wet, wipe them down. When cleaning the region where scum and grime tend to accumulate, take out the bleach reservoir. Wipe the exterior and interior of the machine while rinsing your cloth and removing the softener reservoir. After the washer has finished its cycle, close the lid. He, front load or he, top load. Due to its effectiveness and cleaning prowess, front-load washing machines, which are still relatively new on the market for residential appliances, have grown in popularity. Despite all the advantages, there is one issue that seems to trouble owners more than any other: dirty laundry. Nothing will make the smell go away, not even cleaning the inside of the washer, adding more detergent, or running everything on the longest, hottest cycle. However, a quick cleaning job will not only solve the problem but also keep your washer in good shape. Less water and energy are used in e-washing machines, which may lead to an increase in mildew, mold, detergent residue, and buildup inside your washer. Some washers offer an additional cleaning cycle. I have that on my machine and use it every week after I wash cleaning rags. That, I'm fairly certain, is the key to a e-washing machine that doesn't smell. The simplest method for cleaning your front-loading washer is: the hot water setting can be chosen. Choose a white or stain cycle setting if your machine doesn't have a hot water setting. If your washer offers the option, choose extra rinse. To the bleach dispenser, add 34 cup of white vinegar or 34 cup non-chlorinated bleach, but not both. Fill the dispenser to the top. Let the cycle continue until it is finished. If your washer doesn't have a choice for a second rinse cycle, choose an additional rinse cycle manually to make sure that no vinegar is left inside. Spend a few minutes cleaning the bleach and fabric softener dispensers once you have completed cleaning the washer's interior. Simple removal and washing in warm, soapy water to remove any residue or wiping them down with white vinegar on a cleaning cloth are both effective ways to clean these. Before reintroducing them, give them a good rinse and dry. The rubber door seal needs to be cleaned off because mold and mildew love to hide there. Carefully remove the rubber gasket and look inside to check for mold, mildew, or dirty socks, as is the case with mine. Use a gentle, white cleaning cloth and white vinegar to gently clean the area. To avoid any moisture buildup, rinse with water on a cloth and completely dry with a fresh cloth. After cleaning these 3 areas, use a soft all-purpose cleaning spray to wipe down the outside and control panel to get rid of any remaining dust and debris. It's easy to keep a clean washer and solve the stinky laundry problem. My number 1 maintenance tip? Keep the door open between loads to minimize moisture buildup, and clean the interior and exterior once a month. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.